Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making coconut curry shrimp with potatoes, a creamy, comforting and deliciously savory dish with a hint of sweet and the best fork-tender, sauce-infused potatoes we've ever had. To save time, soften the potatoes by putting them in the microwave for about 6 minutes with a half cup of water. You can also boil them too. While the potatoes are cooking, heat up a Dutch oven over medium heat. Once hot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the sliced onions and sauté until transparent. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger and sauté. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a half teaspoon of chili powder, a bouillon cube, a teaspoon of mustard, a tablespoon of ketchup, and about half a cup of water. Fry for about 2 minutes. Then add the steamed potatoes and a can of coconut milk and cook till the potatoes are tender. Add a pound of shrimp and cook until pink. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately. Will you look at that delicious gravy? I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till next time!